Welcome to WhiteBoyRadio. The video you're about to view is a parody made from an exploiter. What we do over here on WhiteBoyRadio team, WhiteBoyRadio, is exploit the exploiters. We bully the bullies. Are you getting bullied? Are you a product of cyber harassment? Are you being victimized? Contact me. WhiteBoylockdownradio at Yahoo. I'll try to get to the bottom of it. I can't save the world. But one thing I don't like is bullies and exploiters. So please, feel free to contact me. And always remember, don't be the parody. Enjoy.
Hello and welcome back to Breaking News Hidden Footage, where we show you the footage and let you be the judge. Today we'll be discussing famous YouTuber Griftney J. Now usually she's a famous and repeat offender over here on the channel. She usually face plants into her keyboard on a snooze fest, but today there's been a little bit of a smudge in her activities. Today there's a little bit of a toot, if you will. So without further ado, on Breaking News Hidden Footage, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip because we'll bring everybody up to speed on what is alleged happening, and then we, of course, have the hidden footage, and you will be the judge. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's roll the clip, and always remember, on Breaking News Hidden Footage, you are the judge.
Are you muted? She just farted. Oh. Are you muted, Brett? Oh.
Hey guys, it's Griftney J. Hey, I've been having some bad heartburn lately, and I don't know what's gonna happen. But the hater channels, they're just getting out of control. Oh, my mouse fell again. My mouse fell again. Oh shit! It was my mouse. My mouse did fall again. Hold on. I think I shit my britches. Give me 1 second, y'all. I think I have maybe shit my britches. Give me just 1 second. Oh lordy. Y'all look here. I'm gonna get my glasses off of this one here. Man, listen here, y'all. The hater channels, they're not gonna lie. This is gonna be bad for me. I think I shit my. Y'all, this is gonna give me one case of swamp ass, y'all. It's gonna give me one hell of a case of swamp ass. You know, me and the hubby, we done chicken and dumplings last night, and I must have had a little bit too much. All I remember is I was eating and then I was sleeping. I was live before I went, and before that I went live and I was sleeping, and then I don't remember, I was sleeping, but I just don't know what came. The heartburn is where it's at, y'all. I mean, I just don't know what's going to. I have to call it night, y'all. I look like a real shithead tonight. Oh, lordy. Hubby.
What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe to my clip channel at WhiteBoyRadio Clips, and in the description box is the link to be a member. Become a member if you can. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Stay safe, stay smart. Peace.